Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Saraswati coaching classes. Now in previous session we have talked about the first cropping pattern, that is mixed cropping. In this session we are going to talk about the second one, that is intercropping method. Now intercropping method is practiced in many fields wherever there is a scarcity of rain, and nowadays it is practiced everywhere. Why? Because nowadays there are many facilities regarding irrigation to the fields are available. We can supply water to the crop through the irrigation systems which are available for us. Now in this intercropping, what is done, that like mixed cropping, 2 or more crops can be taken at a time, but difference is that here we are taking the crops by separate rows. How? Just see here. Suppose this is your farm or the piece of land where you have sown the seeds. So the pattern of sowing the main crop and secondary crop can be 1:1 or 1:2 or 1:3. What does it mean? It means that one main crop, then one row of secondary crop, या फिर one main crops row and 1 or 2 row of the secondary crop, or if your main crop is having high canopy or it's more time taking और इसका जो period है maturation period, if it is more, then you can take 1 row of the main crop and alternate 3 rows of the secondary crop. For example, just see here, I'll try to draw for you. Suppose this is your main crop row, then 1 or 2 or 3 you can take another secondary crop, right? This is just a diagrammatic representation. Okay. So, and that is also shown in particular way. Why? Because that's benefits are more, that I'll tell you. Then again you can go for the your main crop. Okay. Now what are the benefits of this intercropping? First, when we have selected the crop, as I told you already, that the crops which are selected must be supplementary to each other. Supplementary in what sense? Supplementary means they must be provide nutrient to each other. जैसे leguminous plants का example दिया था मैंने आपको. Second, one plant, if or the one crop which roots are going so deeper, then another one should not go so deeper. So whatever moisture content of the soil will be there, that will be maintained. Clear? Means you don't have to irrigate your farm again and again. Suppose by chance you have a crop, you have a main crop or secondary crop which needs more water, but another crop does not need that much amount of water. So you can supply separate irrigation source to the crop which need more water. Okay? Like that. If my one of the crop is needing more fertilizer, suppose this is nitrogen needing, this type of crop need nitrogen more, but on the contrary this secondary crop or the another crop which I have selected needs potassium or phosphorus more. So I can apply separately the nitrogen rich fertilizer to this one row of the crop or these same types of crop, and potassium or phosphorus rich fertilizer to these type of crops. Okay? Means we will go for the nutrient rich fertilizers. We don't have to apply fertilizers randomly to all crops regardless of their need. Next advantage is that when, see, these two are different crops, they are belongs to different species, so their maturation period is different. Understood? So if this crop get mature first than that of this crop, then I have to harvest this crop. वो fruit crop हो सकता है, cereals हो सकते हैं, pulses हो सकते हैं, vegetables हो सकती है, जो भी है, जो भी है, that doesn't matter. But if its harvesting period is earlier than that of another crop, then I can separately go to harvest these crops. I do not have to wait till the harvesting period of this crop. ये सेम इसी के लिए भी अप्लाई है. अगर इस क्रॉप का हार्वेस्टिंग सीजन पहले आता है इस क्रॉप से, so I can harvest this first than that of second one. ठीक है. So इससे क्या होता है कि कोई भी क्रॉप ओवर मैच्योर नहीं हो पाता है. एंड इफ सी agriculture is basically done to get some financial economical benefit. If I feel that ये मेरी ऑनियन की खेती है और ये मेरे पोमोग्रेनेट्स है, अभी पोमोग्रेनेट्स के सीजन को टाइम है, लेकिन ऑनियन का भाव मार्केट में अभी बहुत ही ज्यादा आ रहा है. सो आई कैन हार्वेस्ट दिस एंड आई कैन पैक एंड आई कैन सेल इनटू द मार्केट टू गेट गुड रिटर्न्स ऑफ दैट. राइट. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी आपका अनदर क्रॉप है, उसकी करंट वैल्यू ज्यादा है आप मार्केट में, तो आप उसको उस पर्टिकुलर स्टेज में हार्वेस्ट करके सेल आउट कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज व्हाट द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ इंटरक्रॉपिंग. क्लियर. नाउ दिस इंटरक्रॉपिंग इज कैरिड आउट at many places in India wherever there is high cost based agriculture. See, low cost, no cost and high cost I have already taught you. Whenever high cost agricultural practices are being carried out, at that place we are carrying out such type of intercropping. Is it clear? Now the next step we will see in the next session. Till that, think positive, be happy.